Hi kids! Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 3. Boys and girls, we are here again to learn our new sound. So I would like you to listen to the story as we learn our sound. This morning, Tom and Tamiko watched an important tennis match on television. There was a big crowd waiting for the match to begin. When the players came to the court, the crowd clapped. Then the match began, and the two tennis players hit the ball to each other. T, t, t. The people in the crowd turned their heads from side to side watching the tennis ball. Now, Tom and Tamiko are outside pretending to be tennis players they saw on television. They hit the tennis ball to each other. T, t, t. Among the tulips, some animals are watching Tom and Tamiko play. The animals turn their head from side to side, watching the ball, just like the crowd at the tennis match. T, t, t. This is how you write t. T is a tall letter, so you have to write it tall on the line. You start way to the top, make a straight line going down, and then go back to the top and cross it. When you cross it, make sure the line goes on both sides. Okay, so you start at a little distance and cross it. Why don't you try? Put your finger to the screen, start to the top and trace. Make a straight line going down, go back to the top and cross it. Now let us look at some pictures that has the t sound. We have television, tie, towel, table. Now I am going to show you 4 pictures. 3 of them has the t sound and 1 does not. I would like you to say which one does not have the t sound. We have arrow, teddy bear, turtle, tennis racket. Which one does not have the t sound? If you guess arrow, you are correct. It does not have the t sound. What sound is this again? T. Very good. Now let us review. We have done some sounds so far. Which sound is this? Let me hear you. T. Next one. What sound is it? Ah. And this sound. What sound did it make? S. Very good, children. Very good. Let us try to read some words. We are going to put some sounds together. We have a, t, at. Now, why don't you try it with me? A, t, at. Now, you go ahead. Try it on your own. At. Very good. Let's try another one. Put the sounds together to read the word. S, a, t, sat. Wanna try it with me? S, a, t, sat. Now you go ahead and try it on your own. Sat. Very good, children. Very good.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!